Hello, community of creators. Today I'm bringing you an essential trick for all of you who want to share longer videos on your Instagram stories. We already know that Instagram limits videos to 1 minute, but don't worry, I'll show you how to split those lengthy clips quickly and easily. So, without further ado, here we go. The first thing we need to do is head to our gallery and choose the video we want to upload to Instagram. Make sure you have it located and ready for editing. Now, depending on your device, look for the editing option. You will usually find it at the bottom of the screen. Click Edit and get ready to split that video. Within the Edit section, you will find the timeline. Drag it after the minute where Instagram would cut the video if you were to upload the whole video. Here's the trick to split it without losing quality. Look for the trim option. Click and trim the remaining minutes of the video. Depending on your device, you can also click Trim and wait for the changes to be saved. Now comes the exciting part. Open the Instagram app, go to your profile and click on the plus symbol at the top of the screen. Select Story and choose the full video first and then the cropped one. And that's it. All that's left is to wait for the videos to be uploaded to your stories. Instagram will present them as a continuous stream, allowing your followers to enjoy the full content without missing anything. And that's it, folks. Splitting videos for Instagram stories is easier than it sounds. If you liked this trick, like, subscribe and comment below if you have any other questions or suggestions. See you in the next video.